Hello friends, I just thought I'd come on for a quick midweek unboxing of some happy mail and some health news. Biopsy was all clear, so we're happy and good about that. Excuse me. And also I got the estrogen replacement, and I cannot tell you how amazing the difference is. I feel like before I had cancer and a hysterectomy, and it's made a huge amount of difference. So that out the way, I've updated everyone. This is a little present from Vanessa. So a little while ago I was inspired when I did the Kate in the Nest pouch. It was the grey one. Vanessa has a lot of lovely tattoos, and she inspired me for the smoky, almost gothic kind of vibe. So I sent her that pouch. So she sent me a parcel. It's just arrived. I've got no idea what's in here. It's very heavy. I think, Vanessa, you might have gone over and above what you needed to. I didn't expect anything in return. I just thought it was nice to send you something. So this is beautiful material, lovely spring-like material. Butterflies, cats, butterflies and cats. I think you did understand me, Vanessa, like you were saying. Oh, she sent me a junk journal and Frida Kahlo. Oh, Vanessa, I was not expecting this. How absolutely gorgeous. Look at these. Oh, the colours. Oh, Frida Kahlo, you know, that is a favourite. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, and my name. There's my name. Little packets of things. Oh, how divine. Oh, how special. Oh, I'm going to love and cherish this. Another toucan. Oh, the trims on the edges are wonderful. Oh, Vanessa, you didn't have to go to this much trouble, but oh, it's so beautiful. I haven't never ever seen this Frida Kahlo book at all. Oh, so much love and care. How wonderful. Yes, life was meant for a great adventure. Oh, look at it. I'm just going to go all the way through. Oh, journal. Lots of journaling pages. Yes, life is better when you're laughing. Correct. And some mandala pages. I love these little bookmarky things that are part of the signature. Yes, always flowers. Lovely. Oh, just gorgeous. Oh, little stickers. You know I love my stickers. Oh, Vanessa, how absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at all the Frida Kahlo colours and everything. Oh, just amazing. Oh, how special. I like these, the bookmarks that go over both sides, and this is a thick card, so it feels like a watercolour card, so I'll be able to watercolour. Oh, how beautiful. This is like journal paper. Cards. Oh, wow. Wow, Vanessa. This was not what I was expecting at all. But it is so up my alley. Oh, I love it. And I'm loving how there's so many bits of this card for painting on. I'm going to enjoy reading the book. And the little hearts and the flowers everywhere. Oh, I'm overwhelmed. Yes, create art. This is so special. Oh, look at the trim in the middle. So it's one signature, two signatures, Is this two different Frida Kahlo little golden books? Oh my goodness, I didn't even know there was more than one. Oh. Wow. Oh, so much work in it. And I love these. They can be stuck on. Oh, that's just beautiful. She was happy to be alive and breathing when her whole body seemed to be one with the sunlight, the colour, the odours, the luxuriant warmth of some perfect day. Oh, beautiful. And just some lovely positive affirmations. Belly band. More. I'm no bird and no net ensnares me. I'm a free human being with an independent will. That might have to go somewhere very special so I can see that. I love that. Oh, the card. Oh, how absolutely astonishing and beautiful to get such a gift. Yes, this is one of my favourite Frida Kahlo pictures. An envelope. Feminist Frida. I love these little tiny bits, Vanessa, that are just the little icing on the cake, little trims. These gorgeous safety pins with beads on. Another one of my favourites. Ah, how absolutely wonderful. Do more of what makes you happy. Exactly. Aren't these just beautiful with this lovely beveled edge and laugh? Yes. And the stickers. Cherish moments, inspire kindness, celebrate life. And you may not know that I actually have quite a few cactuses, and I love cactuses, although I know it's kind of part of Frida's thing from Mexico, of course. Take the road less travelled. Happy to do that. Perfection is overrated, yes. Some might know I do often say, let's not be trying to make ourselves so absolutely perfect. This is so absolutely, oh, beautiful. I'm not even sure I want to work in it. It's just something I want to take out and look at. Hello, beauty. Oh, beautiful flowers. Chase dreams, catch happiness. This card, back of the card. Flower power, yes. Just little memories and mementos. The back page, got some more. This is just beautiful, these little, they're like little notes. Yes, you're capable of amazing things. So are all of you. Oh, the donkey. Oh, beautiful. I am going to treasure this so much, Vanessa. I can't believe how much work you've put into it and how absolutely me it really is. You were right. You're right. That's just something. Oh, look at this. Oh, Vanessa. Oh, I am just so overjoyed about this. And I love all these Frida-like things that go with. Oh, it's just stunning. Look, and the pineapple and the flowers and the colour beads. And oh, all right, I'll stop ah-ing and oohing and sighing and just say thank you so much, Vanessa. I am just overjoyed about it. Overjoyed to be getting my health back and having clear test results and getting on with life. So thanks everyone. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing or unraveling, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.